So I wanted to make a video about the Insta360 One X2. I've been using it for a couple weeks and it's really changed the way that I film. I remember 10, 12 years ago trying to surf with a giant camera in a waterproof case, and it was just such a pain. And then GoPro came out, and now you have some of these 360 cameras that allow you to do some really cool stuff. And so as you can see in this footage here, that's me right there in the red pants. I've got my friend Paul following me. And so I'm holding the Insta360 invisible stick, which basically just goes about 3 feet out, and it films in all directions. And through the app, the Insta360 app, I'm able to basically track anyone that I want. And so using my finger, I'm tracking my friend Paul here as he follows me, and it's just as easy to face in any direction, and it lets you do some kind of weird zoom functions, but it's really easy to use. To make this video probably took me 2 or 3 minutes. I could have done a much better job, probably getting more cinematographic, or I don't even think that's a word, but yeah, you can tell that there's probably a lot that you can do. So I'm tracking myself here. I kind of wanted to get him in the back, so it was kind of a function of us coordinating our speed. It's difficult to do jumps and stuff with this big stick because it's kind of heavy. You don't want to hit anybody. It was a really icy day, so we were just on the groom runs here, and I've tried doing this with with trees and jumps, and it kind of is a challenge with the heavy stick, and you don't want to break your camera. So for this run, it's basically just us going down the groomer, but yeah, you can see how easy it is to track someone. But for the most part, great app, very cool product. It's completely changed the way that you film any of your action shots. I love it, and I'm using it every day. I am having some issues with the app right now in terms of syncing. When I connect my phone to the camera, after about 1.5 to 2 minutes, it's been having some issues, but other than that, everything has been great. Definitely would recommend it. Some really cool shots, and yeah, get it.